Hey everybody, welcome back to another NHL 26 video with the Hockey Ultimate team. Today we're gonna get one game played, finish the regular season, and we'll just have the playoffs for this first Cup Chase series. And then I do have been saving up a bunch of packs too, so we'll get into that first here. That way we try to have a little better team going into it. Um, all these should at least be 76 or greater. Okay, 79, not bad. We don't need them at center, but somebody we can trade or put into the set later on. So I've been playing quite a bit, doing a lot of the marquee stuff. I think my favorite pack we'll do today is 84 overall marquee player, guaranteed. Okay, 376s. But nice thing with these, a lot of them they're tradable, so I could get some coins for them. I really don't know what to spend my coins or the points on or anything like that, so there's nothing too crazy. 80 overall, season one choice player pack. So this should be pretty good. See who we can get. Okay, I'd use another XP player. Oh, maybe they're all gonna be XP players. Yeah, pretty smart that way. Don't worry, I figured it out. Okay, we already have Thatcher. We already have Vince Dunn at left. Will Smith wouldn't do a ton at center. I might as well get Phillip here. Confirm. Open him again. There we go. That's not bad. It's pretty good. Upgrade the defense a little bit. I think our top two lines are pretty good. At least all 81s and above. Another 80 overall player here. Who do we get? Okay, another 8D. Not bad. Neil. Okay, I'm gonna save this for the end because this should be our highest overall player. So we'll just 376 plus. See if we can get anybody bonus. 76, 76. I guess it's technically a bonus, but not bad. More people to either sell or throw towards some sets for like some exchanges or stuff like that. So that should be pretty good. We'll do a 79 choice. If you guys have things you want me to... Oh! I am a Wild fan, so Jonas Brodin is pretty tempting here. Jason Zucker, I don't really need him. Don't need a center. I mean, be foolish to not take the 81 overall in the pack, right? Lefty. Welcome to the team, Jonas. There we go. If you guys have anything you want me to spend the coins or my points I got on anything, let me know. Maybe if it's a decent pack or save them up for something, I can do a big pack opening video. Okay, 80 overall center, not gonna help us a lot, but that's something. Could be worth something. Okay. We'll do the 80 overall marquee first, and then we'll do that. Okay, right D, not bad. I think I do have some decent challenges to do with marquee players, so. And, okay, this one I did, I think I traded in like 879 overalls to get it, so. Okay. I don't really want a goalie, but that's something at least. I think one of the highest ones is like an 86 overall Kirill Kaprizov, which would have been pretty sweet. Now that he's like the highest paid player in the NHL. Okay, here we go. Drum roll. This is the big one. What do we got? Give me something good. Oh, it's a choice pack? Sergey? Okay, but I just got an 82 overall goalie too. I kind of want the goalie. Because Kent, where would he even play? He's a Blue Jacket and a Canadian. Could I use him for a line comp? Because this is kind of tough. I really don't know. And can't like ask anybody because it's just me right now. So, oh, who do I take? I like all my centers, but I need like shots and stuff with marquee players. So if I want to do those challenges, I should probably take Kent Johnson. But I gotta take Sergey. I mean, he was my uncle, jokingly, for my whole life. So that's who we're taking. Taking the goalie. Might be a mistake. But that's what we've decided. There we go. Should be pretty big. And we'll see. I don't even remember how I got an 84 overall. One of the sets let me do it. Oh, it was this one. I'm one away from another 84 overall. So that'd be pretty sweet. Okay, there we go. That's everything. So we'll get into this. Actually, I should probably try to update the team first, huh? Well, just autofill with the highest, and we'll go from there. Okay, kept that. That's good. I did upgrade Thatcher a bunch too. I could take those off and try to upgrade. I could upgrade one of these guys now because they're both XP players too, huh? But I lost my line comp, didn't I? Let's see. Who can I get back together? This was... Do I have another Canadian center I could throw on that third line? I should have somebody. What do I got? I could always move Bedard down, but I'd rather not. Okay. Might as well put Connor there, but I can't because he's on the team. So we go here, throw this guy in. We'll throw Connor here. Get the line boost. And then there we go. There we go, and then we'll take this guy out and we'll put Suter up there. And I don't think there's anything I can do for that bottom line, for line comps. I don't have any Rangers. Don't have a Panther. No, but I'll probably take this guy out and put in lower defense. Worse hands, better checking. Oh wait, this guy is... I think that's Czechoslovakia. Do I have it? Do I have another Swedish player? Because I could put him with Nichushkin and Johansson to make a line. Do I have another Swedish left winger? That could be pretty big. Canadian, American. Where are the Swedes when you need them? That'd give us +2. But that wouldn't be that. So this would be an 85, an 82, and an 82. I think I'm just going to run this for now. I think that's fine. And defensive-wise, I'm going to switch my XP players to the first line. So I'll throw this guy in. I actually probably should throw him for the other guy, but that's fine. We'll do Brian Campbell there. This can be... Jones for Philip. Matthew for Vince. And put Seth Jones back in here. Yeah, for defensive line comps. I guess I never really looked at that. Oh, do I have an American left defenseman? That'd give me a +1 with Kyle Burrows. Don't have a red wing. I doubt it. I like Brody in there. What was I gonna look for? American. Oh. Could be something. Let's do that, and then I'll put Brodeen in here because I like him. Oh, Brian Campbell. Literally no reason other than he's a wild player. So, okay, it's kind of a long intro to this video, so I apologize. We'll save these, and then we're gonna get right into the games. So I will pause it and start it once we're in the first game. All right, here we go. Last game of the regular season. Try to get a win. I don't think I have any like daily challenges to do yet. Those are in like an hour or something. I also have it's really loud in my headset, and I can't pause it. Well, I can, but not good. Oh, you're so slow. Block. Oh, breakaway. Can I do it? Can I do it? It's not my greatest breakaway shot. Okay, bad pass. Once this series is done, after I get the playoffs played in this, if you guys want me to do another series, I can like do a different difficulty if you guys are enjoying it. If not, I'll maybe do some ranked. No, not a slap shot. That's not what I wanted to do. Toe drag. Brodeen, keep it. The next one, I could do an all-star difficulty series because I'm not good at the game, so that should be entertaining for you guys. Okay, thank God if I can turn my volume down. The stoppages was so loud in my headset.
Let's have a look at that last save again. It was absolutely incredible. You're under pressure, you're under attack, really under siege, and you find a way to get to the puck. This is the stuff that champions are made of.
Low. Oh, I should have shot that right away. There we go. Valerie, always good to see it. Oh, look, Brodeen was in there on the assist, so really, that was a good decision on my part. Because it definitely wouldn't have happened with any other defenseman. Brodeen, I just vouched for you, and that's what you're going to do? Ha, gotcha. Yep, too easy, too easy. Oh, I thought he was going to go back to the point, and he didn't. Alright, follow again, another... So I do need, I think, assists or goals with him for sure. Since he's a marquee player. Okay, missed puck. Come on. Okay, and I still didn't grab. Okay, we're fine. Sergey's got them. Sergey's in there. We're... No worries. Yeah, if you guys want to see anything else in like Hut, if you want me to see, if you want me to do the wild card stuff when those come out, or do more ranked stuff, let me know. So it can be a little bit of a rough watch if we play anybody that's, well, like halfway is decent, but...
They've been chasing the game, and the real reason why they're behind in this one, they haven't had any possession time.
Good. That was a bad shot. Oh, no way. It's done. Off the boards. I like Cup Chase from like a, it's not an online kind of game where I can do it at my own pace. A little tough when I'm doing it as a series to make videos, but... Oh! Oh, no! Not a slap shot. Oh, and then I one-timed a back. How bad was that? I think it's done. Anyway. Taves, toe drag, around. Oh, but he lost the puck! Oh, get there! Thank you. Oh, and then I don't even know what's happening right now.
spreads. He's unable to get by.
Moves it quickly over to Iafallo.
Suitor. Oh, I thought I had top
What
left.
a save in front.
Holzig's in a great position to be able to make that stop, James. That's in a high-scoring area. It's a threat.
Oh, that's too far.
Makes the stop.
Picked up by Dillon. Quick pass to Dunn. Slides the puck to McCann.
13. Okay, that's Matt Rempe, so it was actually kind of a good hit, considering it was on.
Got possession of the puck. The Condors going to work on offense. Denies that opportunity. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. With possession along the wall. Lets it fly. Oh, one of his teammates was right in the shooting lane there. Brodin's got it near the point.
Fake shot.
Fires it. And Matilde's going to hang on.
Put it right into his chest, but I tried with the fake shot.
Much needed one at that.
Oh, yeah, I mean, they have just been taken control of in their own zone, James, and they needed this reset. They needed the goaltender to pounce on that puck. They can all collect themselves and get a line change.
And they win the face-off and set up to
boy.
go to the attack.
Get it in.
Second frame almost done. Well inside a minute now.
Oh, but then.
The Condors gain control of the puck against the
30.
wall.
Good.
Loses the coverage there. Time ticking away and he comes up big. There's the horn. 2 periods down. A third period to go.
We got one more period.
Join us for the drama next.
We do need shutouts, I think, for one of the challenges somewhere. So we'll try to keep that going.
Here we go. Period number 3. It's winner
Oh,
goal.
oh, I meant to like kind of pull it back.
2 periods.
Okay, that went directly into his shin, not where I wanted to do it.
The Condors, coach won't be happy with their performance tonight in the effort areas and the
Bad
habits. And
pass.
They've been hard on the puck. They haven't been strong or physical. And as a result, their opponent has taken it to them because they've had
Good
the
job,
puck
Uncle.
the entire game.
I did that. I did that to myself because I passed it, and now we're not gonna get a shutout. That's unfortunate. We're also tied now. That's even worse.
Because you know that they've had a real effective game.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
For them, James, but they haven't gotten frustrated. They stuck with the game plan.
Got too confident. Position.
Receives the pass. Here's a short pass tonight. Oh, she's gonna wrap around.
Okay. I seem to do that without knowing how to do a wraparound, and I think it's like when I try to pass it after from like going behind the net, that it's like, oh, you want to do a wraparound? No, not really. I'd rather actually pass it.
Finding ways to keep the puck out, and that just infuses confidence throughout the entire group. And you can often see it in the next shift after a big save.
Oh,
Oh, a clutch save.
Well, the game has changed so much; it's so fast.
okay, then I
and
missed the
athletes
check.
are so strong,
We're
and
bad.
the training that you
Oh,
have
we're so
whether
bad.
it's in the gym or it's functional. You know that these guys are constantly
Jones,
working
Gensel.
in small space areas, working on their games,
Go
working on
drag.
their legs.
Oh, he's around him.
Foundation, the lower half is so critical, and this is a perfect example.
Angles it over to Donato. Pass to Tolvanen. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one.
Oh, how was I on sides there?
The open ice.
Boom.
Clutch goal gives them the lead.
Oh, Sergey with the assist? Let's go. See, that was why we did it. Granted, I think I had like 4 or 5 assists with Thatcher somehow, but I'll take that.
Beautiful stretch pass. Anytime you make that kind of pass, it's a connectedness that's able to get opportunity, and they do just that, and they wind up with a goal.
Feeds it over.
Bad.
Dillon's got it in the defensive end.
Step. And then I missed.
Cuts across the blue line. Minnesota's got the puck. Nice feed from the right wing. Cuts to the front.
Oh, I hit the post with my defenseman. Hey, it worked.
Yeah, they've been chopping up the bit. Now they've got their opponent on their heels. They need a quick change.
Too easy. Too easy.
Late goings of this period. Minnesota's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Moves it to the middle.
Oh, I thought it was going to be right there.
Stop. And now he angles it across to Burakovsky. Minnesota's looking to break out of their
Good
own
night,
end.
toe drag. She's so tiny. Go. Oh, bad.
Quick feed to
He's
Herrera.
got one already.
Moves inside. Nothing doing. Here's a blast. Denies him with a save.
Oh! Gensel from the point. And we got 2 XP assists on that. Really, it's just like a challenge game. Just to try to complete whatever I can to get XP and coins and packs and whatever else they're going to give me for playing the game.
When you look over the scoreboard, it's lopsided, and for good reason, James. They dominated the play. I mean, it has been tilted in one direction in their favor. They've known when to attack the net. They've been so
He's so
skillful on
fast.
the
With
puck.
speed.
You know that the coach is going to be thrilled with this one.
Boom. I did it again? I don't know what's happening. I've never had that many one-timers going from the point. And by that, I mean like 2. It's kind of a long game now, and he just keeps scoring, but it's okay. Do it again. Do it. Oh, Mark. Marky Mark. I didn't pass it the first time, and then it. Slap shot. Nah, it's not a slap shot. There we go. Ended the regular season on a win, and now we should be into the playoffs. That should be pretty sweet. Good skill bonus. Solid. There we go. Well, next video I think we'll probably do at least 2. Well, I shouldn't say that. Maybe 1 game each and some packs, or probably just both games in one, make it a little longer video. Yeah. Oh, it's a best of. Oh, maybe we'll just do a series in each video then. I guess it's a best of 3. So, but all right. Hope you guys enjoyed that with the pack opening and the game. And yeah, I will see you in the next one when we are in round 1 of the playoffs.